Good morning. Thank you for assembling here. I'm from a company called Zeliot. We are a partner of Bosch, based out of Bangalore, India. So, what we are presenting today here is called as Condense. Condense, as you know, is a natural process of assimilating all the data into one single repository in real time, having the ability to analyze the data in real time, giving the ability to run a lot of algorithms in real time, right? In essence, Condense, you can think of Condense as a real time data streaming platform built for mobility, right? When I say mobility, a lot of Indian and global OEMs use this product. Why do they use this product? They want to understand what's happening with their vehicles in real time. Think about a Daimler truck that's running around in Stuttgart, uh, and something is terribly wrong with the truck. Now, today, how do you understand that? How do you know that? Most of the OEMs today have a challenge where all of this data is coming in, but all of this data is being first stored, picked up maybe once in 4 hours, picked up maybe once in a day, once in a couple of weeks to analyze what was wrong with that data. But if you think what is really necessary, it is important for you to listen to the vehicles as and when something is happening. Imagine there is oil leakage. Imagine the malfunction indicator is on. You should be able to listen to this data point as and when it is happening, not a week later or not a few days later. So, the main intent that we want to talk about today is the vehicles are talking. Are you hearing them? Are you hearing them as soon as they're talking, or are you waiting? Are you collecting that information and talking about it later? Right? So this gives you a very typical example. Look at this. It talks about a vehicle sends a warning signal. Somewhere in the data pipeline, it gets lost. That gets queued, batched, transformed, processed later. 20 minutes later, it appears on the dashboard. If you look at it, the vehicle has already broken down, the vehicle is already stopped. So there was no point of you collecting this data 20 minutes later. Right? So where is the gap? The gap is in managing multiple different applications, tools, products in its own lines. The gap is that you don't have one unified system which makes it super easy for you to just push the data in, run a small service on top, and make sense out of that. Right? That's a huge gap. The gap is you look at, I mean, 10 different applications, 10 different tools to be able to come out with one simple analytics. Right? So, what do? We close that gap by bringing in one unified product in between. Right? It's one stop where you have all the data coming in from different types of vehicles, different types of sources. This platform analyzes it, makes it available, right? Makes it available in the easiest way possible on the application layer, right? So you could write a lot of mobility specific applications which would have been very difficult over a period of time. You would have spent a lot of time in aggregating a lot of data, using different tools, using different services, right? Here what happens is you get all the data in, the platform takes responsibility for doing anything and everything that is there, making it easy, super easy for you to build out enterprise level applications. So, some of the applications that people build fleet management using this kind of a platform. People build war rooms for you to analyze the data for uptime of the vehicles. A lot of people have built, transport management systems out of this. So, multiple different use cases are being built from the same type of data, from the same type of application. So the data is your source, Condense is your middleware, which analyzes everything and makes it easy for you. Then you have the applications as the end applications. So I just quickly want to showcase something in real time. Sugam, can you operate? If you look at this, so what you see on the left side is our product. It gets the data in, passes it over to something else, which is an application, which is a service. Like this, it's a complex data pipeline. The output is on the left side for you all to see. So this is the kind of output you need, right? You have fleet online, average fleet score, then you have a lot of parameters for each vehicle. Let me just resize this. Okay. How do I do the... It's visible, right? Yeah, sorry. So if you look at this, some of the very complex driver analytical model, right, which is being done in real time. Now, this particular thing would have taken you 4 days, 5 days, or few hours to arrive at the decision. Now, this is happening in real time, right? What is a green driving out of that? How much of it is driven in efficient way? What is the fuel efficiency, right? What are the harsh brakings? Number of times the harsh braking has been done. Total rev count. How many times have you revved the engine? Idle time. So multiple of specific parameters which are analyzed in real time, and each of these are your services. Each of these box represent one service that's written in real time. So essentially, if you look at the summary, what all of this does, it lets your developers, it lets your teams build something in real time as a service, and the entire boilerplate or as an entire application is readily available for you. You don't have to wait a week, few hours to be able to get that data, analyze it later point of time. So this is a real-time streaming platform which lets you build complex use cases like automotive data enrichment in real time, run it in real time, make sense out of in real time. So we, being an India-based company, we have a lot of customers, and what we have been able to do to those customers are these points. We have been able to reduce their cost of managing this data by roughly 30 to 40%. We are a BYOC data platform. What it means is data is 100% available, localized within the customer's cloud. We are not taking any data out, right? I was just in a meeting with one of the guys. He said, so you come into my house. Rather than me pushing the data or critical stuff from my house into your house, you're actually coming into my house, sitting in my house and solving my problem. That's a very right way to look at it, right? So we are not asking the Daimlers of the world or the Volvos of the world to send their data to our system. The system goes into the customers, sits within their environment to do all of these things. So it's 100% compliance ready. We offer 99.95% uptime guarantee. That means it's always running. And we have the scale that proves it. We are working with more than a Gbps of data at peak load. So this is all we had to showcase. If you guys have any questions, more than happy to answer.